Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Camp from Tubebuddy, and we here at Tubebuddy love giving back to our community. We want to be your best friend on the road to YouTube success. First off, to see if your channel is eligible for a free upgrade, check your account page at tubebuddy.com/account. If a channel is eligible for a sponsored upgrade, you'll see a notification below the channel in the list. If you're eligible, click the sponsored upgrade option. There are currently 6 different ways to earn a free Tubebuddy sponsored upgrade. Some are easier than others, but they all reward you with free Tubebuddy upgrades. Let's start with the Tubebuddy affiliate program. Joining the program is an easy way to get a free upgrade by just referring people to Tubebuddy. If you get 50 people to install Tubebuddy, you earn a free 1-year star license upgrade, get 250 people to install, and get a legend level upgrade for life for free. On top of that, you can actually earn money if the people you refer end up purchasing a paid license. Sign up for free by going to tubebuddy.com/affiliate program. Another way to get a free Tubebuddy upgrade is to simply take part in a survey. Getting your feedback will help us improve our product and ensure that we keep our customers happy. Click Start Task and fill out a few questions. The length and type of upgrade you receive depends on your channel size. If you want a longer upgrade, you can get a 30-day free trial at any level using a valid credit card. This trial turns into a regular paid subscription if not canceled within 30 days. This works on any license and is the only method that requires your credit card information on this list. It's a great way to try Tubebuddy, and as long as you cancel within 30 days, you will immediately get downgraded and not charged a penny. Want to help your audience grow their channels while helping yourself? We will also give you a free upgrade if you create a video talking about Tubebuddy. All you have to do is create a 2-minute video or longer talking about your favorite Tubebuddy features or why you love Tubebuddy. The level of upgrade is based on your channel size and requires at least 50 subscribers. From 50 to 1,000 subscribers qualifies you for a free 2-month pro license. 1,001 to 25,000 subscribers qualifies you for a free 2-month star license. And over 25,000 subscribers qualifies you for a free 2-month legend level license. Once you click Start Task, we automatically upgrade your Tubebuddy license for 10 days. When the video is done, make sure to upload the video to your channel and send support@tubebuddy.com a link to it. After support reviews the video, they'll upgrade your channel to the length and level we just covered based on your channel size. Finally, the last 2 ways both involve engaging with us on Twitter. Simply following Tubebuddy gets you a 3-day pro license, and tweeting about us, depending your follower count, can get you even more. Disclaimer: please keep in mind that not all channels are eligible for sponsored upgrades, but most are, and each sponsored upgrade can only be completed once per channel. If you haven't had a Tubebuddy license, you can do so now with the link on screen. Are you gonna try to get a sponsored Tubebuddy upgrade? Let us know in those comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification to stay up to date